Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a repost on TikTok. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app. When we're on the feed, let's say for example I would like to repost this video, right? So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the share button underneath, right? And I'm gonna select this menu over here. I'm gonna click the yellow button repost. Boom, the video was just reposted and now it's time to delete the repost. How are we gonna go about it? Let's click on the lower right corner on our profile. Let's refresh our profile. And then I want you to focus on these settings over here. On the middle, you have the locker, then you have the repost icon. This is where you're gonna find all the content that you have reposted. So all you gotta do, you gotta click on the video that you repost, right, again, then click again on the share arrow, and you're gonna focus on the same side of the equation and click remove repost. Guess what? If you go back on our account and refresh, the repost is no longer here. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.